is a nice 55 Chevy.
People did nice things with these cars. Really nice.
Leather seats. Nice 55. And then we got the trunk done. This is a 72 Chevelle. Got the old drum brakes still on this car. Did the motor over a little bit. I think there's a 396 in here. Got some headers on it. Nice job on this car. It's like a 1961-62 Lincoln Continental. Suicide doors on this car. Interior is all done. Guy bought this car on Barrett Jackson. Paid about $100 grand for this car. So this was here a couple of years ago. It's back again. It's a 1955 Ford. Got the original engine in this. Did some paint work on here. This is an F100. Really nice car. It's got the wood in the back done. The floorboards. Really nice truck. There's a little gas filler on it. 1955 F100 pickup truck.
Oh, what a great job.
It's a 1931 Model A. Got the original engine in this car. This is not restored. Original interior. It's like a barn find, this car. Sometimes these cars are worth more money unrestored than the original condition. The 1973 Pantera. That's the inside, and here's the engine. The engine is in the back of these cars. That's a transmission. It took right up to the drivetrain in the bottom on the two sides. That's what it's two drive sides. This is a tranny, and that's the engine in the back of these cars. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. This is all restored. Nice car. Got a Ford engine. Ford Racing. 1973 Pantera. Nice car. 1940 Deluxe Ford. Got a blower engine on this car, and the hood is not cut. Original hood. You don't want to cut these cars up. This one, when he closes this, it's all enclosed in here. Nice candy paint. Got flames in the fenders. Interior all done over. Etched glass. It's a nice car. The running boards on it. 1940 Deluxe Ford. Nice car. 1934 Ford Coupe. The engine all done over. Nice paint on this car. Chopped the hood down on here. got the inside all done. Nice car here, Ford. 34 Coupe, Ford. 1959 Ford Thunderbird, white. Got the Thunderbird on the door, red and white interior, a big steering wheel. Nice car. Here's the back of it. 59. Nice shape. The 1967 Shelby Cobra. With the pipes on the side coming out. 427 Ford. There's a gas tank filler on here. The inside. A lot of these cars are reproduction, so the real thing is serial numbers inside of here. I seen one of these in my mechanic shop one day, but there's serial numbers inside of here, and you got to match the serial numbers to the frame to find out if it's the real thing. But still a nice car. It's hard to say. You got to really read the serial numbers on these cars. A couple old Corvettes. Got the chrome bumpers on here. I like these. It's a Stingray. I like these old Corvettes better than the new ones. Looks like a.
I gave my helper to you, Scott.
This looks like a 72, 73.
In there working with the doors.
It's got the chrome bumpers in the back. These are nice. I like these old Corvettes better than the new ones. And here's another one. This is a another Stingray. This is a 1974. I changed them a little bit. It's a 1964 Corvette. Still got the chrome bumpers on the front. Got a 427 big block in this car. Nicely done. It's got the exhaust pipes on the side. Nice car.
Like an adventure that we went on.
Now, there's the window on here. Now, the 63's got the split window. They got a chrome piece that goes down the middle of the window to separate it. But this is a 64. Almost the same style as the 63. But this is a 64 with the chrome bumpers. Nice paint on here. It's a 1968 El Camino. SS Malibu 327. It's got two-seater in here, and there's your storage. It's like a mini pickup, these El Caminos. There's nice paint on here on this car. 1966 Caddy. Convertible. Gas guzzlers. These are always burned a lot of gas, but they ride like you're on air, these cars. And here you got a T-Bird. It's a 1956 Ford T-Bird. Got the engine redone, nice painted up. Nice car. 56. And this is the inside. And here's the spare tire on here. With the spare tire in the back. 1956 Thunderbird. The 1956 Corvette. There's the tag on there. It says 56 on that plate. The guy put an LS 427. A modern engine in this car.
I've got to get a picture of that.
Fixed up pretty nice. Got the inside done.
Hold on. I need a photo of this. We're going to get a photo of all of our
Here's the back of it.
The Vinny actually has a matching tattoo. What are the odds of this?
But I wouldn't have put a modern engine in this car. I would have got the original one rebuilt because he just won the trophy. He won a trophy for this car, but I would have put a regular engine back in here. It dropped a lot of value by putting out the modern engine in here.
Car number 39. Automobiles.
The 1971
For the cause that we
Chevelle
are auctioning
SS.
off the Mustang convertible that's here tonight.
Probably got a 396 in this car. It says 502 on here.
For $20, you could win that Mustang convertible. That could be
Got the air intake. The air comes in this vent into the engine, into the top of the air cleaner. Get fresh air with it.
Again, congratulations to all
Nice
of our
job,
winners.
convertible.
And just a
Nice
little
paint
bit
on this
down
car.
the street, we'll be back on stage.
71 Chevelle. 1971 Chevelle. Nice job on here. And this is one of the General Lees that's in that movie, Dukes of Hazzard. Got the number on it. They made some copies of this car. As you see, he's got an American flag on here. He doesn't have a Southern flag on this car. Charger. General Lee. Now, this is a nice car. This is a 1955 Imperial. And they drove this car. Look at the engine in this car. What a beautiful restoration on this car. You probably can't even get the parts for this. Chrome and all of that. It's a nice car. Get the little emblem on there. These are some kind of venting. One on each side. Tail lights on the top. Chrome. Bumpers all redone. It's a beautiful car. Now, these cars here, you can probably get the chrome and the stainless repolished. Bang out the dents on them. Because you ain't going to be able to find these parts on this car. That's a nice 1955 Imperial. This is about a 67, 68 Chevelle. Original tires, that's how they came with the red stripe. You can buy the original tires for these cars on one of the collector tire places. Convertible. Probably got a 327 in this car. Nice paint on here. And that's the rear lights on this. Dual exhaust. It's a nice car here. It's a 1954 Buick Skylark. Original. This is not touched, this car. Original motor. It's the original paint. Nothing restored on this car. Inside, in seats, it look pretty good. It's the old emblems. All the parts are here. And as a trunk. The lights and the Skylark on here. Now you could take all this stainless and chrome and get it refinished, get the car painted, but sometimes these old cars keep the original paint that they had and leave them the way they are. Just do the engine up, you know, change the hoses or whatever you have to change, the gaskets. Maybe get the radiator, you can get the radiator redone, record, sealed. I have a radiator shop down by me that does all of that. The old radiators. So, this is not restored, this car. 1954 Buick Skylark. It's a 1949 Ford sedan. It's what you call a flathead engine. No valve covers on this car. That's a flathead. That's where the spark plugs go. That's Stolitz cast iron. There is a gasket between it, and you can put the gaskets down and seal it. The engine he probably had rebuilt and repainted. No valve covers on here on this car. Just a little carburetor on there, and the exhaust manifolds. Radiator in the front with a radiator.
Oh, is he?
A little bullet. It's a nice car. Got the seats redone. You can get them seat covers and whatever. That's a 3-speed standard on a column. So hubcaps that it comes with. It's a nice 1949 Ford. See, there's where they put the hinges on here on the outside on these cars. Gas filler. A very nice job on this. 1949 Ford sedan. The 1968 Camaro. You got the new engine in here, blower on top. That's the intake over here. There's one on there and one on that side. As we put the air filters, that draws all this air into this top of the car and gives it more horsepower. Nice paint on here, like an orange.
I don't like the color, but I like the car.
And it's got black. Yeah, these are nice, these cars. That's a stick.
That is 68.
Nice paint work on here. That's a 68 SS Camaro. Nice paint work on this car. Okay, this is a 1966 Corvette. Chrome bumpers on the front. Stingray. And it's got the spinner knockoff rims on here. There's no lug nuts on here. You take this and knock these off with a rubber mallet, and the whole tire comes off. That's how they put these on. And as the engine is a 327. You get these rebuilt. This looks like the original engine for this car. You get them rebuilt when you got a car like this, the engine. Get the manifolds painted, the engine painted. That's the original manifold pipes on there. Maybe you can upgrade to power booster brakes. This looks like the original Master Cylinder on here. That's why you try to keep the car the same as it came with. These here, what this used to be, they used to put air through here and cool the brakes on here. Now the newer Vettes got them in the back. That's what they do, they cool the back braking up here. Got the interior done nice. And just like the 63 split window, this is 1966. It doesn't have the split down the middle. The 63's got a chrome piece down here. And actually it's 2 pieces of glass on here. There's where the gas filler is on this. It's a nice car. Corvette, 1966.
About you, baby. I said, hold back the
This is the band. They play for free entry down here. It's a downtown cruise night. I hope you enjoyed the cars tonight and the video. This is Sound of the Street, doo-wop band, and they play for free down here. Great night out.